Hello everyone, my name is Ronak and you're watching VectoArt. So today we'll talk about the controls under WinUI 3 and we will be focusing on the basic inputs controls, and this video will be a continuation to the ongoing UI series on WinUI 3. If you have missed those videos, I will leave a link in the description. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot. So let's focus on the basic inputs, and under basic inputs we have these controls like buttons, checkboxes, hyperlinks, drop downs, repeat buttons, toggle buttons, split buttons, and so on. So today we'll be focusing on the button control. So you can see we have this standard button, and then if you move down you have the Xaml code for that. Let's copy it and open the Visual Studio. And let's open our old project that we worked on. If you are interested in how this project was created, I recommend you to go to the description and check out those videos. So let's paste this button that we copied and remove the click event from it and run the application once. So we can see that we have this standard button, nothing fancy, but the design is good and it has that floating button feel. Yeah. So let's move down and let's take a look at the other button types that we have. So we have this graphical button as well, which has animations as well. So we can copy that code and let's paste it on our window, or to say our Xaml. So before that let's add a stack panel and change the orientation to horizontal and wrap that button inside that stack panel. So let's paste that copied button first, and then let's cut this and paste it inside the stack panel. So we are seeing an error here. Before that, let's add a margin so that the buttons are separated and they do not overlap. I see a error here, so let's see why it is. So if you go to the errors panel, it says that we have the content given twice. So let's remove that first content and the error is resolved. Let's remove the click item as well, or the click event as well, and let's move down and let's take the source of the next sample code that has been provided, and let's paste it here. Let's add the margin to the stack panel, and then the last button, that is the accent style button. So let's copy that as well and paste it. Okay, that's done. Let's save and run the application. So we have all the buttons, but we do not see the animation or the animated button loaded. So let's take a look why. And we also do not see the accent style button. Let's do one thing. Let's remove this part that we added, and if you scroll down the documentation, we have the Xaml source code and the C# code link provided. So let's click on that, take the Xaml code from here. Here if you see this, all these controls are on a page or a XML browser application, so that is why we have a page directive here. So some of the controls on this code might not work, so we will have to remove them from our Xaml. So for example, this local component, so let's remove these. We are almost done. Okay, done. So yeah, let's format the code. Let's remove the extra spaces. Doesn't matter, but it feels good. So let's save this and let's go to the C# code and copy the button click event. Let's copy that and go to our code behind and paste it here. Done. Let's save and run the application. So you can see we have this clicked notification, we have the disable button, but our image is not appearing yet, and then we have the standard buttons and the accent style button. So all good except the animated button. So let's scroll down. Before that, I think we do not have the image that needs to be loaded inside that button. So let's go to icons8.com and here let's go to icons and animated icons, and here you can download the icons that you like. I have already done and I have added that icon to the assets. Let's copy the name and paste it in the image and run the application. Also, I have added the width and height for that image. Let the application run and build. Yeah, so there you go guys. All we have explored all the buttons on the framework, and next we will take a look at the next section, that will be the drop down buttons, in the next video. So we will be moving on to the next item, that is the drop down, and we will be taking a look at the simple drop down and the drop down button with icons in the next video. Hope you all like watching this video. Bye bye.